Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this 3D modeling. This is 3D modeling tutorial number 8. To draw the drawing, please open the Auto CAD. This is the Auto CAD 2017 version. And then I erase. And then before we start the drawing, please check the unit. Type UN for units. Decimal precision 0.00 millimeters, and then OK. The views 2D wireframe and choose the first page as 3D modeling here. Okay, to draw this drawing, firstly I show you how to draw this paths. 50 and angle line is 100 110. Okay, choose dot is one view. ISL for line. And then the distance of the distance is 50. Type O 50. Select objects to here. Okay, set zone A, zone K. And here angle line is 110. ASL, enter, choose angle reference is 110. Now you get this line, and then take off the distance is 26. ASL, for the body gear, click here, and then O for the offset 26. Here, 26. Enter. And then use TR trim command, enter the unnecessary line. E. You get this packs. Okay, H2 to 50. Use the object command. Erase line. Press command to 50. Okay. Now you get this packs. Okay. Now you rotate, choose 3D rotates, select objects, enter this one, enter, choose the axis, choose the axis, yes, 90, enter, erase. Okay, very simple. Now we use this paths 42 is 42, then is 90. Okay, we use the box here, the values is spelled 90, tab key, one value 42, and the height is 50. And move command, select object. Yeah. Okay. Now use the union command to combine. Okay. Very easy. And then we make a box to cut off this gap. Okay. 30. Okay. Values. The value is 19 minus 15. 90 minus 15. 75. 75. Yep. And the width it is 30. 30. Height is 50. And for the move command, objects, pick the base point to here. And then use subtract solid subtract tools, select the object, enter. Use the object, very easy. Okay. Then use this fillets around 30, radius 30 backs, and the center point is 65. From that 65 radius 30. Okay. So we change the UCS CS here, X axis, Y axis. Okay. Top C for the cycle, radius 30. Move key, the base point to here, and 65 M. Sorry, enter, and rounds. Is it not 90? 90, the total and it 90s. Okay, to get this pass, radius 30, radius 30. Use C for the cycle, choose 2 point from that, C for the cycle, here, radius 30, radius 30. Yeah. This quadrant to this quadrant. Okay, very simple. Then use press full command, click, you want to take off, enter. Then use press full command again, here, enter. Now erase the side gap. Now you get here, very simple. Now make a holes diameter 22. C for the side gear. D for the diameter 22. Use the press pull command. Okay. Now make a hole. A hole diameter 35 2. That is 2. 2 here. Change the UCS. Split X, Y. C for the side gear. And then use the reference line. Copy edges slats here to 25 to the center. Then C for the side gear. Value is 35, diameter 35. D for the diameter 335. And erase that line. Press pull command to the triation 2. And then diameter 20 pull through. C for the side gear. Okay. C for the side here. Diameter 20. Press pull command here through. Okay. Check shave act. Very simple, easy. Okay. We make a hole, diameter 5 hole from 25 to 70.5. You are frames. Change the UCX here, X86, Y86. C for the side gear here, diameter 5. Move key to 25 and then move key again here to 70.5. Okay. Press command here through. Now combine the four objects union. Now the last step is radius 1.5 fillets here in advanced. Okay, use the orbit command here, radius 1.5. F fillet R for radius 1.5. Enter. Change shape at of the grid. Now you easily get the 3D drawing. You change the color, double click color finally here. Change that you want. Very simple. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.